insider, transforming your idea to patents using 10 years of patent insider experience. I used to grant the patents inside the PTO, now on your side helping you get through the process at the PTO. Today we're going to talk about the first of 4 very fundamental things that you need to know about the patent process. I like to break down the patent process into 4 fundamental steps. Today we're going to talk about the first step. In the next set of videos we'll go through each step one by one, but I want to explain each step. I touched on this on the last video a little bit. The first step, after you have your idea and when you want to start the process, the first step of the process is due diligence. Due diligence. What does that mean? So you need to find out if your idea is already out there. Has it been done by somebody else? Primarily what this is what we call in the business a patentability search and assessment. You need us to look, shake the bushes, search the trees, look under all the rocks and everything and find out if somebody else has tried to solve the same problem you're trying to solve. And if they have, are they doing it in the same way you're trying to do it? This is very important. You don't want to waste lots of money, lots of time, and find out that your idea is already out there, it's already been done, and there's no way you can patent it. That doesn't mean you can't make a business out of it, but you have to then consider, okay, if my idea or my marketing or my product is already been thought of and already put before the patent office, then you have to consider as part of your business plan licensing somebody else's patent. Maybe you can buy the patent. Maybe you can reach an agreement with the inventor or the company that owns that patent or the intellectual property and try to create a partnership. Or maybe you can come up under them and sell them your marketing package, create some kind of solution. But that's not the optimal scenario. This is what they call in business proof of concept. So getting proof of concept with your patent when you want to protect your invention or intellectual property starts with doing diligence. And one word about this process, I think a lot of times it's very, you have to understand, I've been a business owner. I used to do apps, and I know about trying to put money in and you're trying to build something and everything is cheap. You want to make sure you save money at every turn. But when you look at intellectual property, saving money doesn't always get you the best result. At the same time, spending a whole lot of money doesn't also get you the result either. What you want is quality solutions. Quality solutions that are affordable, but also quality solutions that are, you can have confidence in the product. You can look online, you can do some research yourself, and that may be enough. But if you got to look at what's the value of what you're trying to do. A patent, the Patent and Trademark Office is within the division of the government called the Department of Commerce. So one important thing that I've learned and that I understand, it's important, I think you should understand about this, is that the Patent Office is part of the economic engine of the government, meaning that they're in business for money. They're hoping to help you by patenting your product. You're going to contribute economically to the economic engine of the United States of America. So that being said, you have to always be thinking about what's the commercial potential of your idea. Now, I know there's a lot of things about you want to do research in advance just for the public good, and that's fine. You don't need a patent to do that. You can just release something. You can do open source. You can do that. But if you're trying to seek a patent, the way the system is designed is it has to be commercialized. I know it's a little bit more than what I told you I was going to give you, but again, let's go back. The first thing you have to do is do your diligence. This is true for anything that you do. When you're going to purchase something or invest a lot of time or a lot of money, you want to do your research. What's that's called in the business is a patentability search and assessment. So first thing, number 1 of the 4 fundamental steps of the patent process is what? Do a patentability search and assessment. Do your due diligence. Now we can help you with that here. In fact, if you look either up here or down here, I'm going to put a link to how you can schedule a consultation with me. We can discuss how we can do these things for you. But again, this is just your patent insider trying to help you with the 10 years of inside information that I got inside the patent office, granting patents, now bringing it to you as a patent agent, helping you transform your idea into a patent application.